We are in the beautiful Sonoran Desert in Pinal County on the Arizona National Scenic Trail. Central Arizona College reached out to us and asked if we had any trail work to do. And with 65 miles of trail, regional trails, we're like, yeah, sure.
All of these students are first and second year X-ray techs.
So to see the entire program here is like really cool.
Probably the most important trail tool. This is a McLeod.
I didn't know that we were gonna have pickaxes and stuff. I feel like we're mining for gold or something.
We call this a mandatory voluntary experience.
It's not going to be groomed to a 6-foot wide sidewalk. It's a 2-foot dirt tread, but you still want that to be enjoyable for the variety of users you get. We have a variety of non-motorized trail users, from hikers and runners, cyclists, equestrians, that all use this facility.
They all complain until they get out there on the trail. You know, an hour or two from now, they're all smiling and they're all having a good time, and it's really a good experience.
Brushing. We keep that trail corridor cleared from brush and sticky things that tend to stick out in the trail and grab your pants. We do a lot of what we call tread maintenance, which is basically the walking path, and in a sustainable way so that drainage can occur across the trail without taking the whole trail out.
I thought that it would be a good experience for these students to donate their time and do a volunteer experience, and so starting in the first year, we implemented one day put aside in November to do a volunteer experience. And we've done many different experiences from food banks and Habitat for Humanity, but then since we are in Pinal County, we wanted to give back to Pinal County.
We would find it hard to operate without that volunteer assistance and do it effectively. You know, if we don't have those volunteers, then we're paying for that labor. So it's a great resource to have. If you can do gardening around your house and you can walk a half a mile, you can do trail maintenance. We partner you with somebody that's got experience. You know, we're not asking you to do anything we're not going to do, but we give you that instruction to do it properly.
I think it's going to be a good day. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a good time.